the default information syntax is something that really you should get to love. I think OSPF is doing us a great service by giving us such a powerful command, default information originate. So firstly, notice that we do not have the always keyword. So we are leaving the dependency of the existence of internet connectivity there, which is good because if I lose in my current routing table connectivity to my default route, such as it gets removed, an interface goes down, then I stop advertising myself as the exit. Metric 10 says I got a metric of 10. And we're not modifying the metric type, so it's an E2, which means that all routers in my autonomous system will see the metric as 10. And on R2, we see pretty much the same syntax, but a modified metric of 100. So who is the preferred internet service provider in this case? We should be able to make an inference based on the syntax that we're seeing. Do we prefer ISP A or B? Maybe it's faster, maybe it's lower cost, maybe we just want to dump more traffic on it. A or B? Well, you only see router 1 and 2. So what should we be thinking? Oh, well, they modified the metric to 10. And so all routers in our OSPF domain are going to be steered over towards router 1 for internet connectivity. And ISP-B would only serve as a backup pathway. Why? Because it's got an inferior metric and we have no load sharing going on because all routers will see the metric as 100 for R2 because it is preserved. The metric of R2 is preserved because it's an E2. So default information originate, it's a fun command to play around with, and we should expect to see it in our own autonomous system because we all have internet connectivity these days, and there's really not a better way to work with default routing in OSPF.